For beginners, here's a 5-minute moral story. Title: The Kind-Hearted Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a rabbit named Rosie. She was known for her kind and gentle nature. One day, as Rosie was hopping through the forest, she noticed a little bird trapped in a net. The bird was scared and helpless. Rosie immediately hopped over to the bird and asked, "Are you okay?" "Don't worry, I'll help you." With her sharp teeth, Rosie carefully chewed through the net, setting the bird free. The bird was overjoyed and chirped happily, thanking Rosie for her kindness. Word of Rosie's kind act spread throughout the forest, and all the animals admired her for her compassion. Rosie felt a warm and fuzzy feeling inside whenever she helped others. The moral of the story: kindness has the power to make a big difference in someone's life, no matter how small the act may seem. For intermediate learners, here's a 5-minute moral story. Title: The Wise Farmer. In a peaceful village, there was a wise old farmer named Sam. He had a reputation for making wise decisions. One day, a wild horse wandered into the village. The villagers saw this as a stroke of luck and congratulated Sam on his good fortune. But Sam remained calm and said, "We shall see." The next day, Sam's son decided to ride the horse. Unfortunately, he fell off and broke his leg. The villagers sympathized with Sam and said, "What bad luck." Again, Sam remained calm and said, "We shall see." A few days later, soldiers came to the village, looking to recruit young men for war. Due to his broken leg, Sam's son was exempted. The villagers were amazed and praised Sam's wisdom. Sam smiled and said, "Remember, what may seem like misfortune at first can sometimes turn out to be a blessing in disguise." The moral of the story: life is filled with ups and downs, and it's important to keep a positive outlook even in the face of adversity. What may appear as a setback can often lead to unforeseen opportunities. For advanced learners, here's a 5-minute moral story. Title: The Seeds of Success. In a small town, there lived a young boy named Alex. He had big dreams of becoming a successful entrepreneur. Alex was determined to achieve his goals, so he decided to seek advice from a wise old man known for his wisdom. The old man said, "Success requires patience and perseverance. Just like a seed needs time to grow into a mighty tree, your dreams need nurturing." With these words in mind, Alex started working diligently. He faced countless challenges and setbacks along the way. There were times when he felt discouraged and wanted to give up. But he remembered the old man's advice and persevered. Years passed, and Alex's hard work began to pay off. He started his own successful business and became known for his innovative ideas and dedication. People admired him for his resilience and determination. One day, Alex met the wise old man again and thanked him for his guidance. The old man smiled and said, "Remember, success is not an overnight achievement. It is the result of hard work, determination, and the willingness to overcome obstacles." The moral of the story: true success comes to those who have the courage to chase their dreams, stay committed in the face of challenges, and never give up on their aspirations. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!